Hope everyone's having a happy and healthy Memorial Day weekend. And first and foremost, we want to thank all those who paid the ultimate sacrifice so that we can enjoy the freedoms that we have in this country. I want to share a little story. Back in college, I was at the University of San Diego and studied biology, and I was in the honors program. And the honors program was university-wide, so it wasn't specific to our department. And at the end, we had to submit a project. And that project could be any project that we chose, but it had to be guided by a counselor with a write-up and everything. And then it had to be presented to all the other honors students. And that included non-biology people, so business people, education people, across the entire university. And my project was on the evolutionary history of horses. I was fascinated by horses, and I was fascinated by DNA, and I love this idea of taking RNA or DNA sequences and timing it back to look for changes in the clades or taxonomy of species. That was kind of a thing that I was nerdy about back then, still am now. But I went to go present the paper, and one of the business people raised their hand. They're like, so what application does this have to us? And I said, none. And they're like, well, why? What's the point? And I said, well, sometimes you got to do science for science sake. And some people in the audience just didn't understand that studying something for the sake of studying it without having a specific human application had value. Well, as it turns out, today, right this moment, scientists all over the world are studying the genetic sequencing of coronavirus. And they're using the same techniques that I used in my research to figure out how the coronavirus is adapting, evolving, mutating, to see if there's new strains, to see where it came from, to see how long it's been around, and all that sort of thing. So not that they're using my research, but they're using the techniques that I used even so many years ago as of today. So as it turns out, science for science sake does eventually have application for humans. Take care. Have a happy Memorial Day.